Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick unboxing from my latest purchase. I did buy this bag off of Gilt. I wasn't originally going to buy this bag so quickly, but it definitely was on my list for this year. And the reason why I purchased it is because I saw that it was on a flash sale on Gilt for $450 off retail price. So I just had to jump on it. So I'm going to just quickly do an unboxing and show you, and then hopefully a review will come. So it is double boxed. Okay, here it is. Where to... Oh my gosh, here she is. This is the Prada double bucket bag, and I got it in red. Originally, I hadn't quite made up my decision on the color. There is a gorgeous yellow color that's available on some retailers, and I was sort of thinking about getting that, but this one, because it was just like such a great deal, and I was thinking about red as well. I was kind of debating between red and yellow. I just had to get it. So this is like their double bucket bag. You can see that there's a little slip pocket in here. I don't know if you can tell. Right here, you can kind of put cash or like a card in here, something like that. And there's two sections. Yeah, comes with a long strap. Let's see, long strap this way. And gold hardware. And it does have a single handle that you can kind of like put on your arm like this. Yep, so there's my latest purchase. I have been doing a lot more shopping than I normally do, so this probably will be the last true unboxing for a while. But yeah, hopefully I'll have like reviews and comparisons and other stuff as well. So you can see closer detail of the hardware. It's gold hardware. This is the Saffiano leather, which I really like because it's very durable. And it does have like gold feet at the bottom, which is great. I have noticed that for this season, they have created a slightly smaller version of this bag that isn't available yet, but I did see on Saks that it's available for pre-order. Yep, so there's that. There's my latest little red baby. Thanks for watching.